Hello, I am Satoru Hiwatari, who is in charge of marketing from Tohoku Pioneer Corporation. I am also one of the engineers who designed the special edition speakers. I'd like to introduce special edition speakers, specially designed for ASEAN, India, and for selected countries. First time outside of Japan. Special edition speakers were designed in Japan? Yes, certainly. That's here in Tohoku Pioneer. In Tohoku Pioneer headquarters and factory, where is located in Tendo City, engineers have confidence in Takumi, craftsmanship ability that they have built up studying daily work for a long time. Special edition speakers were a remarkable product, which is realized by that high ability. That Takumi spirit has been inherited from Nozomu Matsumoto, who is a founder of Pioneer. He was so moved by what he heard when he first listened to dynamic speakers. With efforts after years, he realized dynamic speakers, which is first in Japan. Those efforts and result and the Takumi spirit are expressed in the Pioneer philosophy, move the heart and touch the soul. By deeply studying high quality with Takumi spirit, we realize high-resolution audio, certificated, and by expressing super realistic feeling and vividness, we can deliver what is Pioneer philosophy to more customers. We introduced 3 models: Takumi, Japan design, and area-specific characteristic. Gathering all technologies, sophisticated and fantastic speakers are designed. Flagship Special Edition TSVR 170C. High Fidelity Special Edition TSV 170C. High Performance Special Edition TSJ 170C. We, Pioneer, started in 1938, has more than 80 years of speaker design experience, unlike other speaker companies. Our speakers are 100% Pioneer, from design to manufacturing process. We are proud to be Pioneer. Please feel our spirit and enjoy special edition speakers. Thank you.